Hey everyone, welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to highlight the active row in Excel, a really helpful trick if you want to easily keep track of where you're working, especially in large data sets. Let's jump straight into it. To begin, we'll apply conditional formatting across the entire worksheet. So go ahead and press Ctrl-A to select the entire sheet. Next, head over to the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting, and then choose New Rule. From the list of rule types, select Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. Now in the formula box, type this. This formula is checking whether the row number of the active cell matches the row number of each cell in the sheet. Once that's in place, click on Format, go to the Fill tab, and pick any background color you like. Maybe something neutral, just enough to make it stand out. Click OK, and then click OK again to apply the formatting. At first glance, it looks like the active row is highlighted. But here's the catch. It only highlights the current row at the time of setting the rule. If you click on another row, nothing changes. So how do we make this dynamic so it updates automatically when we select a different row? Here's the trick. Right-click on the Sheet tab. For example, if you're on Sheet 1, right-click it, and then choose View Code. This opens the VBA editor. In the editor, make sure that the drop-down on the left says Worksheet. The right drop-down should automatically show Selection Change. If it doesn't, select it manually. Now, inside the subroutine, type this one simple line, target.calculate. What this does is force the sheet to recalculate the formula every time you click on a new cell. Close the VBA editor and return to your worksheet. Now test it out. Click on different rows, and you'll see the active row highlight automatically based on your selection. Just like that. It works dynamically. This trick is super useful if you're dealing with large Excel sheets and want to quickly spot your current working row without losing track. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a like and leave a comment if you have any questions or cool Excel tips to share. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded and turn on notifications so you don't miss more powerful Excel and Office tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.